こんにちは. Hello everyone. My name is Fumitaka Kubota, marketing expert of Anritsu, based in Japan. Today, I would like to talk about V2X market trend and technology overview. I'm going to cover following contents. My speech part is about 20 minutes long, total 10 slides. V2X is a key enabler for autonomous driving. Please take a look at the picture. You are driving a car surrounded by blue colors. There is another car behind the building is approaching to the same intersection. Today's LiDAR radar technology cannot detecting this car because the building is blocking. V2X can detecting this car by communication technology. To quickly summarize this, V2X is a comprehensive road solution that allows vehicle to communicate with everything. V2X enabling extends existing sensor set, allows looking around the corner for better perception and prediction, senses state of other pedestrians, traffic sign, and potential hazard. V2X global market trend. It is mainly talk about cellular V2X. As you can see, many activities are ongoing in every country. Please take a look at the bottom of this slide. China is the fastest country in the world for cellular V2X area. Their launch target schedule is end 2020 this year. China have a plan large-scale field interoperability event in October 2020 in Shanghai. Major car OEM Tier 1 vendors will participate in this event. For other countries, such as USA, Europe, spectrum for cellular V2X are not yet allocated, as I'm going to explain more detail in the next slide. This is a slide showing V2X ITS spectrum situation for each region. 5.9 GHz spectrum has been assigned for ITS deployment. US is exploring the use of DSRC, cellular V2X, and Wi-Fi for the band with rechanneling of this DSRC band. So USA spectrum reallocation discussion is ongoing. Originally, this US frequency was all allocated for DSRC. More than half part of spectrum will be released to unlicensed device such as Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi people push so hard to releasing this spectrum. Part of the remaining spectrum also will be released to cellular V2X. According to the latest information, US FCC will making an official announcement by the end of this month, September 2020. For Europe, the Europe defined 5875 to 5905 MHz to be used for traffic safety related application and recommends interoperable DSRC and cellular V2X system without the Wi-Fi. For China, China used 20 MHz in 59 GHz band and chose cellular V2X only option for ITS safety application. This slide shows V2X system overview. Upper side is cellular network. Bottom side is a direct communication. For direct communication, PC5 is used for vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to infrastructure, vehicle to pedestrian. For cellular network, UU is used for vehicle to network. Cellular network communication, V2N, which is leveraging existing cellular network, wide coverage area, latency tolerant use cases. For direct communication, V2V, V2I, V2P. Direct communication between V2X mobile equipment, both in and out of coverage of cellular network. Latency sensitive use cases are suitable for this. This slide shows 3GP release overview. Release 14.15 more focus on basic safety, which is upper side of this slide. Release 16 will have more advanced use cases as NR V2X start from this release 16, which is bottom of this slide. Release upper side, release 14.15 is a broadcast communication. This means the communication is one way. It is covering basic safety use cases as shown here. V2V cruise control, such as forward collision warning, emergency vehicle warning. V2V traffic optimization, traffic flow optimization, automated parking system, so on. And V2P, pedestrian road safety, it is covering warning to pedestrian against pedestrian collision, so on. Basically, one-way communication, meaning that vehicle always keep saying that this vehicle is heading this direction with this speed, and vehicle type of information is broadcasting to surrounding. Release 16 have multicast capability. That means communication is both way. It is using HARQ technology feedback. HARQ is a function TX transmitter side immediately responding, resending the data when receiving NAC message from RX receiver side. HARQ is showing in this diagram in the bottom of this slide here. Red arrow is showing TX data. And then blue arrow is showing TX, showing the feedback data from RX side. Therefore, when NAC was returned from RX side to TX side, then TX transmitting the data accordingly. NAC message is a message sent from RX to TX saying receive the data is error. On the other hand, if the RX receive the data, correct one, and not in error, then ACK will be returned from RX to TX. This multicast method is enabling more reliable communication, which will be very important for autonomous driving application. 5G NR V2X enhanced use cases. Shown on this slide, such as high-density platooning, teleoperate driving. Teleoperate driving is like remote driving. Ultra-low latency and high data throughput is a key 5G technology to enabling this application. This slide is talking about communication of connected car. Telematics have potential creating new user experience and will be key technology for realizing autonomous vehicle. Upper side is showing cellular network and bottom side showing direct communication. So between TCU and network, it is cellular network telematics. And then direct communication, again, vehicle to infrastructure, such as camera, traffic light, and vehicle to vehicle is the other car, and vehicle to pedestrian. So a little bit talk about telematics service. Anritsu provide the best test environment for various telematics services. Upper side showing that real telematics service environment, and bottom side showing the test solutions to simulating above real situation. So basically, in the between vehicle and the services, there is the cellular network. And then Anritsu mobile network simulator can do the same thing that real cellular network do. So if you want to test the vehicle TCU module device under test, you simply connect RF cable to mobile network simulator, and then mobile network simulator also have the Ethernet that can connect to the PC, which have various applications you want to test. Anritsu have automotive solutions such as telematics, infotainment, car radar, cellular V2X. And today, I would like to a little bit introducing cellular V2X solution. RF performance tests for cellular V2X, we have model name MT8070A. This is can perform fast and fully automatic non-signaling LTE V2X TRX test. And GUI looks like this. And then you can check the spectrum, time domain, constellation, so on. And another cellular V2X solution is functional test solution. This is to addressing the field testing by creating real-world condition in the lab. And it is predefined traffic scenario available as a turnkey packages. So for the collision warning, those popular V2X scenario already pre-installed. And then flexible parameter configuration, drive speed, signal strength, you can configure these parameters, so on. And GUI is based on the Google map. So if you want to test the TCU device under test, if you want to check the this device correctly, sending the warning message or so on. And scenario configuration, play, visualize, then you can check the log. This is a testing cycle for this solution. Now, we would like to show some short video of this functional test solution for V2X.